Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfi Laila Rahmadani, NPM 2101012002. The end of the prophethood of Muhammad. According to Islamic belief, Muhammad's role was to serve as a messenger for God, delivering God's word, the Quran, and acting as a model for Muslims. After 23 years of acting as a prophet of God, his mission of complete. The Quran was finalized and recorded on scraps of parchment, leather, and bone, but more importantly, memorized completely by many of Muhammad's companions. The pre-Islamic tradition of memorizing long poems gave the Arabs the ability to maintain and ensure the preservation of Islam's holy book. Narration of Muhammad's action and sayings were also given due importance and spread throughout Arabia by word of mouth. According to Islamic tradition, one of the final verses of the Quran revealed to Muhammad stated, "Today I have perfected for you your religion and completed my favor upon you and have a prophet for you Islam as your religion." Quran 5:3. Muhammad fell ill in the early summer of 632. He experienced debilitating headaches and a fever, and was soon unable to walk without the help of his cousin Ali and his uncle Abbas. When he was unable to lead the 5 daily prayers in the mosque, they appointed his close friend and companion Abu Bakr to lead them in his place. He spent his final days in the house of his wife Aisha, the daughter of Abu Bakr, from a wall adjoining the home to the mosque. He was able to watch the Muslim community follow his instruction to worship God even in his absence. It was no doubt an emotional time for his followers who had been with him throughout the difficult days in Mecca, the first battles against Quraysh where he established his authority, and his triumphant bloodless conquest of Mecca. They had looked to Muhammad for guidance and leadership in all aspects of life. His increasing talk of death and that he was now unable to even rise up to lead them in prayer played heavily on the heads of the Muslim community. 59. His final days were spent resting in his home with his head in the lap of his wife Aisha. Close family members and friends visited, hoping to see some signs of recovery in their leader. But one of the central aspects of Islam was uncompromising monotheism. Muhammad preached that only God is divine. All other creatures, whether they were animals, humans, or even angels, would experience death, according to Islamic belief. Thus, while they were prepared for his passing, recognizing that Islam would indeed continue after him, Muhammad's followers, deeply emotionally invested in this man that had led them out of the era of pre-Islamic polytheism and tribal warfare. could not imagine life without him. On 9 June 632, with his head on Aisha's lap and his followers gathered in the mosque hoping to hear of his recovery, the first era of Islamic history spanning the 23 years of prophethood ended as the Prophet Muhammad breathed his last. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.